All right, ladies and gentlemen, guess who's in the house? Fab's in the house. Welcome back. I got something cool. Indeed, in this box, Lautie, this is the BeetleCrash, which I'm going to check out with you, for you. But in the meantime, if you want, you know what you could do? You can check out Fablades.com because, yeah, we got some pretty cool toys, some pretty cool fidget knives or fidget toys. And pocket knives. I mixed it up, but we also have some other items, some accessories, some patches. Sometimes we get some pretty cool flashlights, and most of all, most important of all, we have a very nice consignment program. It means that you can buy the kind of stuff that you see on the site, play it, have fun, and then once you're done, if you're bored or if you want to change things up, you want to switch them up, just send it back to us. We're going to take care of listing it up, selling it, and give you the money. We're going to keep a 15% fee to, PayPal just gets 5%. We're going to keep 10% basically to run these listings, and you get the rest. So it's a pretty cool idea, I think. So you don't have to deal with the creepers on Facebook Marketplace or with the stupid fees of eBay and PayPal combined together. They're going to be like draining your margins for sure. So send it back to Fab. I'm going to take care of them, and I'm going to put them on the site, and they're going to sell. So let's go ahead, check this bad boy out. BeetleCrash. This is after the Puffer Crash success. You got the BeetleCrash, and there's some stickers and what else? Just nothing, because there's no extra spare parts involved in this bad boy over here, which is pretty cool. It's kind of like a keychain affair. Lautie EDC, Spy Wars, and of course the Puffer crashing thing that you might know from the Puffer Crash, of course, onto the BeetleCrash. How is it? Of course, there's a smaller version than this one, but this is the, let's say, the biggest one. And we're going to check out the measurements over here. 34 millimeters long, 17 millimeters wide, and another 10 millimeters thick. So it's reasonably, I would say, sized for like a keychain. The actual Puffer Crash, it probably is going to remain my favorite one. This is a pretty cool one. Let's see how much weight this is going to add to your keychain. Almost 2 ounces, 1.9. So there's a little bit of weight that is gonna be added to your key, fob, chain, whatever you have. So consider that, but still, the feeling you're gonna grab and you're gonna carry with you, it is pretty cool. This guy is the stainless steel and copper version. So there's gonna be some patina with time. There's gonna be some smell with time. It's all normal. But the feeling, oof. So these buttons are hard, by the way. And the feeling is like popping the pluriball. Multiball, how do you call that thing? You have a spring-loaded ring, like so. You just slide your probably ring within this fella over here. And this is, pretty straightforward. There's nothing much about it. You just press it in your pocket when you're at the bus stop, or I don't know, at the grocery shop, or I don't know, in a doctor's office, at the dentist waiting room, I don't know, on the couch watching a movie. This is the kind of stuff that you just fidget pretty constantly, and because it's kind of addictive. Form factor, again, I prefer the Puffer Crash, but this still, it is a pretty solid choice, guys, so check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. As usual, stay tuned.